Hi guys, welcome back to Youth Health here. It's me Harsh. So guys, in this video I had came with what's inside a gadget. So guys, let's go on to the video. If you're going on to the video, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So guys, let's go on to the video. This is a Dell laptop. It supports ADM, supports Ubuntu. So guys, my laptop is not working. So guys, I am going to open this laptop. First you should open this battery for safety. After opening this battery, guys, then you want to click on this button, power button. You should confirm that this laptop is power off. First we can start from here. It's pretty difficult. So guys, first I'll say this is RAM. You can look, it's 4 GB RAM, and this is hard drive where all the things what you have saved in your computer is gone to hard drive. This is 500 GB memory hard drive. So guys, I'm going to open this. So guys, this is hard drive, 500 GB hard drive. So guys, I am going to show you what is inside a hard drive. Look, this is the disk. So there are many types of disk inside a hard drive. There are many layers, for 2 or 3 layers according to your drive file. This is one layer. You can see it. I am not going to open this. Yes, I'll screw this up. So you know what is this? This is Wi-Fi card, WLAN or Wi-Fi card. So guys, you can, I am just closing it up to you. Wi-Fi card or WLAN, I just pronounce like that. Using this card, we can connect our laptop to a hotspot or a Wi-Fi. These 2 wires, I'm just closing it up. These 2 wires are the wires where this gets the connection of power connection. So guys, I start to sweat. It's not opening. You can look, I opened the whole screws in this. It's not opening. Look, it's stuck somewhere. If I open, this will totally broke. I cannot take that risk. I'm going to open and show you the laptop's keyboard. So guys, let's go on to that. Before that, I'm going to show you what is motherboard. This, you can see this green thing. This green thing down the, that is motherboard. That's a part of motherboard. You can also see this here. So I am putting a diagram of this laptop's structure in the screen. So guys, you can understand what is inside it by seeing it. I'm going to show you what is inside this keyboard. So guys, got it. This is the connection of the keyboard. Just close it up. I removed this using this thing. It's part of that. So guys, we cannot remove this because there is no screws. Anything is there. We cannot remove this. We can only remove it from outside. So guys, I think you understand what is inside the keyboard. Unfortunately, we and I don't have the luck to show you what is inside the laptop because it's stuck. So guys, let's go on to next topic. We're going to open this. This is the plastic case for tube light. This is the tube. Yeah, look. This is lamp holder. This side. So we are going to open the two screws here. So guys, this is the board. This is two wires. We should connect there. In every house it will be there. So guys, I think the seed, capacitor, resistors are there, driver. The two connections where this bulb is attached. It is directly reaching to this place, to the board. So guys, I think this video is useful for you, so please like, subscribe, share and hit bell icon. So guys, I'm just wind up in this video. So guys, thanks for watching.